Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this EY Ocean desk lamp with a clamp. It's a 31.5-inch LED desk lamp for home office, 24-watt gesture sensing control desk light. It's dimmable and it comes with a lot of color temperature what you can choose from. It's eye-catching for office lamp, an architect lamp for a screen and a task lamp. You can use this for a lot of possibilities. You have here a remote control and gesture control, and of course buttons on touch buttons on the lamp itself. This monitor lamp is equipped with a wireless remote control, this allowing us to control the light more portably. It also features gesture control, this allowing us to turn the light on and off simply by waving our hand. Of course, that's easy. This feature must be activated. It is either for large monitors or dual monitors and architect desks, etc. This allowing us to have a good lighting environment while walking, studying, drawing, and so on. And asymmetrical optical design. This LED desk lamp here adopts an asymmetrical optical design, eliminating screen reflections, no blue lights, no glare, and a soft light source to protect our eyes from fatigue. The memory function remembers our last settings. No reset is required for that. It also has a timer function which we can choose to switch this light off automatically. And it's 80 centimeters. These are 30.1 inches in ultra-wide light source. The built-in 160 eye protection LED chips, 80 cool white lights and 80 warm lights, and 5 color temperatures and 5 brightness levels to achieve a variety of light combinations. It also has 4 preset modes to meet our different lighting needs. The tube walls are made of high-quality aluminum alloy, which has good heat dissipations. The ability and the long service lives and does not need to be replaced frequently, of course. And it's adjustable gooseneck and a telescopic rod, as you can see. The high and the stable telescopic rod, adjustable height is 31.5 inches to 41.3 inches, is made of metal in conjunction with the flexibility gooseneck of the flexible height adjustment and the multiple lighting angle. The strong metal clamp supports a tabletop of up to 2.7 inches and saves valuable space on our desk. And it looks really more smart and cool. This is a really cool looking EY Ocean desk lamp. It's got dual screen for a computer or workstations and so on. It's an LED desk lamp with a clamp function. The desk lamps are for home office with remote control. New technology, lighting angle provides a high brightness with no glare to protect our eyes. We have 4-5 degrees asymmetrical edges LED. Design. No glare and no flicker for eye-caring. Yeah. The built-in 160 eye-friendly LED chips ensures a color temperature of from 3000 up to 5500 Kelvin. It's suitable for the most lighting needs out there. And we have a bigger than RR value of 90. The high color to rendering close to the natural light effect brings us the best visual enjoyments, and 100% no flicker or glare. To reduce the eye tension, the accompany to focus on our work. The unique directional area illuminating design does not cause screen reflections and eliminates the work area only for the multi-screen tasks. And we have 31.5 inches wide monitor light bar here with more than 95 of CRR. That's available to illuminate the whole workbench. That's really cool. Light source, 160 LED chips. Light emitted diodes. The color temperature from 3 up to over 5000 Kelvin. Brightness in 5 levels, which we can choose from. The power is 24 watt maximum. It supports desktop thickness of 2.7 inches maximum. The materials are aluminum alloy, ABS, PVC, and silicon. And the lifetime comes more than 50,000 hours. The A-Ocean LED dash lamp for home office with clamp, designed with edge-lit technology for carrying eye, provide quality lighting. The upgrade, the adjustable height features, the high and stable telescoping metal rod combined with the flexible gooseneck offers a flexible height adjustment and multiple lighting angles too. We turn counterclockwise to relax the connector. We turn clockwise to tighten the connector. And this task lamp is for various needs. For learning, for designing, for working, for viewing. For what you will need a power source or a light source, you can choose this E-Ocean device here. The brand has been provided modern design and technology desk lamps and reading lights. The products combine the fusion of minimalistic, aesthetic, and practicality. They strive to give functional and aesthetic products to bring more productivity to our hood. This is easy peasy, and you can choose from a remote control or in control by gesture or in control with the controls directly on the lamp itself. The A-Ocean desk lamp with clamp function. 31.5 inches LED desk lamp for home office. 24-watt gesture sensitivity control desk light. Dimmable and color temperature settings. Eye carrying office lamp. Object lamp for screen task lamp. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.